Hello adventurers and camper lovers. In this video, we're diving into 16 next-gen stealth Doomsday survival camping gear and tools designed to elevate your outdoor experiences. Whether you're preparing for extreme conditions or just looking to camp smarter, these innovative essentials bring the perfect mix of durability, functionality, and cutting-edge design. From the versatile torched camp fire pit and stove for efficient cooking and warmth, to a warm tent built to withstand heavy outdoor rain, we'll cover game-changing solutions for shelter and comfort. You'll also see the Zenbivy MOTOBED all-in-one camp bedroll, offering a cozy night's sleep anywhere you set up camp. Plus, we'll check out the AGPTEK portable air pump that makes setting up your gear effortless, and the Talon 360-degree outdoor mega-sized chair built for all-around relaxation in the wild. So, if you're ready to gear up like a true survivalist and take your camping setup to the next level, let's jump right into it. As always, I'm placing a link on each product selection in the description of this video. Before starting, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like and share and subscribe. Outdoor enthusiasts need portable, durable solutions for creating a campfire and cooking meals in remote locations. Introducing the Torched Ultralight Campfire Pit and Stove, an innovative, award-winning fire pit and cooking solution that weighs just 2.2 pounds and packs flat to the size of a standard sheet of paper. Crafted from lightweight, heat and corrosion-resistant metal sheets, it's perfect for backpackers and adventurers. Its raised design minimizes ground impact, ensuring a no-trace experience while simplifying cleanup with its easy-to-clean surface. With optional food-safe grates and griddles, it unlocks a variety of cooking possibilities, making outdoor dining more memorable. The larger Torched Gather Pro model provides ample surface area for family gatherings, ensuring warmth and enjoyment for hours. Combining practicality and innovation, this ultralight fire pit transforms your outdoor adventures into unforgettable moments of connection and comfort. Camping doesn't have to be a daunting experience. It can be both comfortable and stylish with the right gear. The WRNB Warm Tent redefines outdoor living with its cozy, versatile, and easy-to-install design. Made from durable polycotton fabric, it offers excellent breathability, keeping the interior cool in summer and warm in winter. Its ripstop construction ensures durability and provides UV protection. The tent is designed for quick assembly, taking only 15 minutes to set up, making it ideal for hassle-free adventures. This modular tent adapts to your needs with components like a twin inner for 1 to 2 people, a 1/3 inner for 3 to 4 people, and a full ground sheet for added protection. It features 3 removable entrances and YKK zippers for enhanced durability. The flame-resistant fabric and customizable hole jack support safe wood stove use. Whether for auto camping, minimal setups, or bushcraft, the warm tent transforms seamlessly, offering comfort and functionality for all types of outdoor activity. After a long day of outdoor adventure, nothing beats the comfort of a good night's sleep. Introducing the Zenbivy MOTOBED, the ultimate all-in-one luxury bed system designed for car camping. This innovative system includes a self-inflating dual-layer mattress, offering adjustable firmness, and a foam pillow topper for maximum comfort. The mattress is paired with a soft Ponji 50D sheet and a built-in hood for added warmth and heat insulation. The MOTOBED also features a versatile quilt that can transform from a rectangular sleeping bag into a semi-rectangular quilt, wrapping around you like your bed at home. Easy to set up, it simply rolls out and inflates. And when it's time to leave, it rolls up compactly into the included storage bag. The MOTOBED ensures restful, luxurious sleep, no matter where your camping journey takes you. Introducing the Caveman Foldable Camping Grill, a revolutionary lightweight and portable solution for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Designed for campers, backpackers, and tailgaters, it redefines convenience by folding completely flat into a sleek carrying case. Weighing just 6 pounds, or under 2 pounds for the ultralight version, Caveman is the lightest and most portable grill in its class. Its versatile design accommodates grilling, griddling, and skewer cooking, ensuring a perfect meal every time. Compatible with charcoal, wood, pellets, or sticks, it cools to the touch within 5 minutes for easy handling. Constructed from FDA-approved rust-resistant materials, Caveman offers a safe and durable cooking surface. Whether you're searing steak, flipping burgers, or grilling veggies, its compact, sturdy design ensures unparalleled grilling performance. Transform your outdoor adventures with the Caveman Grill, a featherweight champion for serious outdoor cooks. Efficient inflation and deflation are crucial for a hassle-free outdoor experience or quick setup at home. The AGPTEK portable air pump is a versatile solution for inflating and deflating items like air mattresses, boats, and swimming rings. Equipped with a powerful 4.5 kPa motor, it delivers quick fill performance for effortless operation. This pump comes with both a car power adapter and a home power adapter, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Its compact and lightweight design ensures portability, while the 3 included nozzles accommodate various inflation needs. The pump is easy to operate. Simply attach the correct nozzle to either inflate or deflate and press the switch. Perfect for camping trips, travel, or household tasks, the AGPTEK air pump combines power, convenience, and adaptability in a user-friendly package. A portable, spacious outdoor chair is essential for maximum comfort during camping or outdoor adventures. Introducing the Talon Outdoor Mega-Size Foldable Chair, designed to offer the ultimate convenience and comfort. It features a roomy sofa-like size, yet remains foldable and highly portable. With an easy 5-second setup, this chair allows you to instantly relax at your outdoor spot. The chair's 360-degree swivel functionality ensures you can turn in any direction without leaving your seat, perfect for cooking at camp or observing wildlife. Made from water-repellent nylon with breathable mesh and comfortable cushions, it provides superior support and durability. The chair's extended frame and wide seat enhance stability on any terrain, while the all-in-one Bigfoot design ensures a secure footing. Available in multiple colors and styles, it also features storage pockets for hands-free convenience. Whether you choose the standard or long version, the Talon chair promises to elevate your outdoor experience with ease and style. Having a reliable cooler for outdoor activities is essential for keeping beverages and food fresh and chilled, enhancing your overall experience. Meet the Insmeer Soft Cooler Bag, a versatile and practical solution for those who love adventures. Featuring a spacious 45-liter capacity that accommodates over 55 cans of drinks. This cooler is designed with multiple carrying options, including a comfortable shoulder strap and reinforced handles, making it easy to transport wherever you go. With a top Velcro opening for quick access and smooth quality zippers, this bag ensures convenience during outings. Its 5-layer insulation, made with 10mm EPE foam and durable 900 denier Oxford cloth, offers 12 hours of insulation, while ensuring 100% leak-proof performance through seamless hot pressing technology. The hard-bottom construction supports up to 100 pounds, while the food-grade PEVA interior allows for easy cleaning. This cooler is collapsible, making it easy to store when not in use, and it's perfect for beach trips, camping, grocery shopping, and picnics. Enjoy your adventures with this reliable and functional cooler bag. In today's world, having a private space, whether for social gatherings or personal relaxation, is essential for enjoying outdoor experiences comfortably. The Alvantor Pop-Up Bubble Tent, a large oversized weatherproof pod designed for versatile use. This innovative tent features an automatic pop-up mechanism, allowing for quick setup without the need for assembly. Simply pop it up, secure it with sandbags or guy lines, and enjoy your bubble in your backyard, garden, or during small events. The winter tent provides cold protection while ensuring a spacious interior that comfortably accommodates 2 to 3 adults. With 4 transparent PVC windows offering a 360-degree view and excellent heat retention, you can enjoy the warmth while staying connected to your surroundings. Additionally, the top window provides ventilation, and waterproof covers protect against rain and snow. Internal hooks for hanging and a large entrance door with double-sided silicone zippers enhance convenience. Weighing only 16.5 pounds, this compact bubble tent is easy to fold and store, making it an ideal solution for any outdoor adventure. Having a portable private space is essential for comfort during outdoor activities like camping or beach trips. Introducing the Alvantor shower tent, a spacious, comfortable solution for privacy needs outdoors. Made from 100% polyester with a 300D poly-Oxford Teflon coating, this tent is water, tear, oil, and dirt-proof while providing UPF 50+ UV protection. The innovative pop-up design requires no assembly, and its compact folding size ensures easy portability. Equipped with inside pockets, a rope for hanging clothes, and a hook for bags, the tent enhances convenience. Its PE floor keeps belongings clean, while the wear-resistant bottom edge adds durability. The mesh top design and large double-sided zipper entrance allow 360-degree ventilation, promoting better heat and odor dissipation. For added stability on windy days, sandbags, guy lines, and stakes are included. Whether at the beach, camping, or even in a photo studio, this versatile tent provides a private, well-ventilated space for changing, showering, or other personal needs. To enjoy outdoor gatherings while staying protected from the elements, a reliable and spacious shelter is essential. Introducing the Deerfamy pop-up gazebo tent, designed to enhance your outdoor experience with its starry sky view mesh roof and 6 privacy curtains, ensuring a comfortable and private space. This gazebo features a quick pop-up hub frame that allows for effortless setup by a single person, saving you time and effort. Perfect for spontaneous gatherings, it can accommodate up to 8 people along with furniture, providing ample space and a high ceiling for comfort. Crafted from durable 210D Oxford polyester, this tent offers UV 50+ protection, blocking 99% of harmful rays while being water repellent. The breathable mesh design ensures proper air circulation, keeping you cool and comfortable outdoors. The removable floor mat made of woven polyethylene adds insulation and cleanliness to the indoor environment. Conveniently packed in a durable carry bag with 3 storage pockets, it's perfect for camping, garden parties, picnics, and more, making it a versatile addition to your outdoor gear. Outdoor adventures and modern living spaces require adaptable, functional furniture that enhances convenience and style. Introducing Anka Spaces, a multifunctional portable shelf that effortlessly combines premium craftsmanship with advanced technology to elevate your living experience. Its sleek design features a wooden body with stainless steel legs, providing stability and foldable flexibility for easy transportation and storage. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, Anka Spaces offers Bluetooth Hi-Fi grade 360-degree audio, a built-in wireless charging function, and a USB port for wired charging. The elegant control panel allows for seamless multimedia management. Additionally, the shelf comes equipped with an RGB LED sensor light. Whether you're camping, hosting, or simply relaxing, Anka Spaces adapts to your needs with custom height options, foldable design, and innovative technology. It's the ultimate blend of modern style and multifunctionality, redefining the way you interact with furniture. When preparing for outdoor adventures, having an all-in-one solution for food storage and cooking can make all the difference. Introducing the AWADA lunchbox, the ultimate companion for outdoor chefs, combining space-saving storage with efficient cooking capabilities. Designed to hold your food, alcohol stove, and accessories, this compact, versatile box offers a smart way to carry everything you need without the bulk. Its premium construction ensures durability, while the innovative lid design provides a secure seal. The non-stick coating allows for easy cleaning, and the steamer layer offers versatile cooking options. With griddle marks for appealing grill lines, it enhances your meal preparation. The ergonomic handle and carrying strap make transportation effortless, while its space-saving design maximizes storage. Whether you're camping, hiking, or on a road trip, the AWADA lunchbox keeps your essentials organized and ready for any culinary adventure. Staying cool and comfortable during outdoor activities or in your home is essential for relaxation and focus. Meet the Claymore portable fan, Designed to provide a refreshing breeze whether you're outdoors or indoors. With its powerful 7,800 mAh Li-ion battery, it offers up to 32 hours of continuous use, making it perfect for long outdoor events or power outages. The fan features a whisper-quiet operation, thanks to its low-noise BLDC motor, ensuring that you can enjoy cool air without disturbing your peace. It includes a handle and tripod stand with a 1/4-inch screw hole for easy mounting and versatile use. The fan also comes with a protective storage case for added convenience. USB Type-C charging ensures effortless maintenance, and the detachable safety mesh makes cleaning a breeze, keeping the fan in top condition for any adventure. Outdoor adventures lose their charm when a cold, uncomfortable night interrupts your sleep, making restful camping essential. The Alki Twilight thermal mattress topper ensures a warm, cozy night's sleep by combining comfort with advanced thermal technology. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, it features 2 layers of soft polyester insulation paired with heat-reflective metal foil that redirects your body heat back, naturally keeping you warm. Unlike traditional emergency blankets, this topper is soft, quiet, and machine washable for convenience. Simply place it on your air mattress to prevent heat loss, ensuring the cold air stays out and your warmth stays in. Perfect for couples, it replaces restricted mummy bags, offering a comfortable and spacious sleep surface. Lightweight, portable, and effective, the Twilight transforms your camping experience into a luxurious rest outdoors. Outdoor adventures demand versatile gear that simplifies transport and enhances comfort in various settings. Meet the OME Gear Chair, a game-changing 4-in-1 product that effortlessly transforms into a cart, reclinable lounger, low beach chair, and high camping chair. Its durable aluminum frame, resistant to weather and salt water, supports up to 250 pounds, while the cart configuration carries up to 150 pounds. Equipped with an oversized bungee net and clips, it secures your gear with ease. The breathable mesh fabric ensures comfort during extended use, and its UV and corrosion-tested materials offer lasting durability. A patent-pending multi-purpose hinge mechanism makes transitions seamless, meticulously refined with input from Michigan-based seating design specialists. The chair combines innovation, durability, and functionality to meet the demands of any outdoor enthusiast. Perfect for the beach, campsite, or park, it's your ultimate portable seating solution. A reliable and versatile light source is essential for enhancing outdoor camping experiences, ensuring functionality and ambience in any setting. The Maxify Fusion Minimalist CAMPLIGHT combines style and practicality with its vintage design and specially formulated spectrum, delivering a maximum brightness of 400 lumens and a fixed color temperature of 1500 K or 2700 K. It provides soft, non-glaring illumination for up to 90 hours on a single charge. The light's 1.5-meter range effectively illuminates every corner of your campsite, while its breathing atmosphere lamp adds a romantic touch. Durably crafted with IP54 waterproofing, the light withstands adverse weather. Its adjustable 30-centimeter support bracket, 180-degree rotatable brightness, and sturdy triangular stand make it adaptable to any situation. Equipped with a fast-charging TC port and power bank functionality, it's portable, easy to use, and perfect for camping adventures or cozy moments.